Students, I Kanishka Kumar Dasa welcome you to your favorite English class. Students, today we are going to discuss a report. I have already discussed about reports in my previous videos. Kindly go through all these reports. Students, there are so many reports. It may be a newspaper report, a general report, a business report, etc., etc. But today I am going to give the idea of a general report. These kind of reports usually produced in a meeting for the general purpose, in a school, in a college, in a university, etc., etc. So, I would like to discuss a specimen of a general report. The question is like this: Shishu Bharati met to discuss about the inter-class chess competition. Write a report of the meeting to be presented to the Pradhan Acharya. Students, Shishu Bharati met to discuss about the inter-class chess competition. Inter-class means in between classes. Inter and intra, there is a difference. Intra means within the class and inter means between classes. So, please try to keep it in your memory. Shishu Bharati, the Sangathan or a group of people, they discussed about the whereabouts, how to conduct the chess competition. You have to narrate the whole events, the whole ideas. They decided there. So, according to me, you please write the title of the report before going to write it. Your title may be like this: Inter-class chess competition. Put date and write by whom it has been written. The ideas may be written like this. I have given you my idea, and students, you please just get the idea and narrate it in your own way. Shishu Bharati met in town hall, Jaleshwar, yesterday by 7 p.m. to discuss about the chess competition in between pupils of class 9 and 10. It was decided that the competition will be conducted on 28th April 2001, Sunday, on the school veranda of Saraswati Shishu Vidya Mandir, Jaleshwar. Mr. Dharanidhar Behera has been given the charge to enlist the names of the participants earlier than the date of commencement of the competition. Pupils should be notified beforehand about the time, date, venue of the competition and the necessary tools they would bring to take part in the competition. The PT Mr. Nageshwar Das has been selected as umpire. His decision will be final at the time of any dispute. 3 groups will be selected from the groups of participants and final round will be played. Out of them, the group stands first will be awarded as the winner group. The first participant will be awarded the first prize and the second one the second prize. All the participants will be awarded consolation prizes. Students, I finished my writing here. Just get my idea accordingly. You supply your own ideas, supply your own words to write this report and complete your writing. I think my ideas will be helpful to your writings. Thank you very much for listening to me. Thank you.